We got a bunch of up, 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 up. Ethan, get your leg out.
How's he supposed to get his leg out?
His right leg. Oh, that's deadly. That's not good. They ended that. That was about to break this.
Dude, have you seen that? Dude, that's for...
I've never seen that.
Ethan, right up. Don't throw your leg in. Get your leg out. Hey.
Under the leg! Get under his leg! Hips up! Keep working that leg out. Just work his leg out with your right arm. Get his leg out. Yes. Now hips up. Hips up. Hips up. Keep circling your hips.
Right there. Ethan. Oh, he's up. I didn't realize that. I was thinking the other kid was red.
Hey, we're gonna think of that first move we saw.
Yeah, that was dead.
Russian.
Hey, take one more shot. Shoot right now.
Good finish.
Hey, that was close. Hey, that was good. Yeah. Hey, be a hammer. Don't let him up. Return. Get your right arm out. Hold on to it. Oh, that leg, that is filthy. Oh, that ain't good. That's dangerous. Ah, that was dangerous.
Switch.
Have that arm. Turn. Get your leg back. Turn. Get your leg back. Cross face. Get your leg back.
Hey, face up.
Get your hips up, Ethan.
Your ankle, punch your
Work for that wrist. Back wrist. Back wrist.
Lock and break him down to his hip. Lock your hand.
Hips up.
Switch off. Go. Run it.
Beautiful. Hey, Ethan, you can't let him turn you. You have to get up. Needs to get up.
Knees up, Ethan. All right, sit out. Quarter turn.
Keep working up. Let that switch.
Ethan, you got 20 more seconds. Come on. Hey, you got only got 20 seconds. Don't let him score.
You got to not get turned for 15 seconds. The way it is. 13. Don't get turned for 13 seconds. Right there, stay up. 7 seconds, do not get turned.
Again.
12 seconds.
Watch the lift.
Ethan, just 3 more seconds.
All right, now you can get turned.
All right, now you get turned, you win.
Now you can get turned. No one cares.
Just don't get